Information Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Paraji Sriramkar. I am student of Civil Engineering in second year, Jila Education Society, Jil Polytechnic, Nare. Project name is Explain Stabilization of Soil Using Geosynthetic with Site Photograph. Guide by Professor A.B. Agrawal Sir. Project by Paraji Kade, Shrutika Kumbar and Nisha Kamble, second year Civil Engineering. Content: Introduction, object and scope of the study, geosynthetic, image of type of geosynthetic that are available in market. Geosynthetic are usually supposed to have following three basic kind of properties. Introduction: stability and modes of failure of this structure. Crustal area are dynamic with unique geomechanical features such as instability, which in any case might affect the overall performance of coastal defense structure. Constructed on soft soil or weak foundation, this paper review the developments and application of geosynthetic in soil stabilization and protection of coastal area with emphasis of shoreline protection. Relevant empirical research data are presented as well as the present and likely future challenges in the use geosynthetic in soil stabilization and coastal defense structure. Objects and scope of the study. The main objective of the present work is study the effect of the soil strength after the application of geosynthetic. In present study, the strength variation in different soil was observed in the present. The analysis of soil has been carried out by application of geosynthetic in soil by using sewage analysis and CBR test. The future scope appears to be more promising and stronger and more durable geosynthetic engineering into geosynthetic. A geosynthetic with high tensile strength used in combination with soil of high compression strength have been found to be effective in the design of many civil engineering applications. The application of geosynthetic in the field of geotechnic, transportation, hydraulics and geoenvironmental engineering has been explained by many research. The material employed in the manufacturing of geosynthetic square measure primarily artificial material generally derived from crude oils or through rubber fiberglass. Geosynthetic could be a generic name representing a board very plain merchandise factory made from compound material. The foremost common one square measure, geotextile, geogrades and geonates, geomembranes and geocomposite. That square measure employed in contact with soil, rock associate and nursing or the other material as an integral part of artificial project. Image of type of geosynthetic that are available in market. Geosynthetic are usually supposed to have the following three basic kind of properties. First is strength properties. It must be true to withstand stresses during the installation process. Second property is resistance properties. It must be strong enough to withstand statics and dynamics loads, high power pressure and shallow absorb action to which it is subjected during its lifespan. Third property, permeability property. It must be resist the excessive clogging and building, allowing water pass freely across to within the plane of the geotextile. At the same time, it must be capable and fitting out and retaining fine in the subgrade. Application of geosynthetics. Application of geosynthetic, the procedure for testing remains similar for each is the cases except the addition of geosynthetic layer into the soil, whereas compacting at a totally different height of the soil within the mold. The geotextile, therefore the geogrid where take circular item in the match specifically into the mold while not. Layer were placed higher than of the primary, and therefore the third layer whereas compacting the soil, which might grow to be top a second layer and fourth layer when inverting the mold of cosmic microwave background testing and severe test was conducted. An example of severe test is later result. And conclusion, general soil had shown improvement in the severe value for geograde and had nearly doubled for the penetration of 2.5 mm and 5.5 mm for geograde. This impels the application of geogrades of pavement in case granular soil can reduce the thickness of the layer by almost half of the original depth.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.